Hello and welcome to this week's episode of the RubyPorch.com Real Estate Podcast, where we will be discussing the future of Miami's waterfront properties. Miami's coastal properties have always been a desirable location for buyers due to their beautiful views and access to the ocean. Unfortunately, the future of Miami's waterfront houses is in doubt due to the threat of increasing sea levels. In this episode, we'll look at Miami's beachfront real estate market's current patterns, the effects that sea levels are having on the industry, and what the future may hold. Initially, we'll discuss Miami's waterfront real estate trends. One of the country's most active waterfront real estate markets is in Miami. Property on the lake is in high demand, and the cost of these properties is rising. Miami Beach, Coconut Grove, and Key Biscayne are some of the most sought-after waterfront communities in the city. Luxury houses, upscale amenities, and stunning ocean views are all present in these communities. Buyer tastes have shifted in recent years in favor of homes with outside space. Due to the epidemic, this trend has been further accelerated as more purchasers seek for properties with secluded outdoor areas. Due to their direct access to the ocean, waterfront homes with private docks are likewise becoming more and more desirable. The following concern is how Miami's waterfront properties may be affected by rising sea levels. The increasing sea levels pose one of the biggest hazards to Miami's waterfront properties. By the end of the century, sea levels near Miami are expected to increase by up to 6 feet as a result of climate change. Miami's coastal properties are significantly at risk from this sea level rise, with many areas vulnerable to floods and erosion. As a result of the threat of rising sea levels, developers and investors are taking measures to protect their waterfront properties. Many new developments are being built with elevated foundations and storm-resistant materials. In addition, some developers are incorporating green infrastructure and sustainable design features into their projects, such as green roofs and rain gardens, to help mitigate the impact of flooding. Future of Miami's waterfront real estate market is the other. The fear of rising sea levels makes the future of Miami's waterfront real estate market questionable. Yet, there are a number of developments that could influence the industry in the years to come. The demand for robust and sustainable properties is one trend. As more purchasers become aware of the dangers posed by rising sea levels, they might look for homes constructed with durable and sustainable materials. Another trend that may shape the market is the increasing popularity of mixed-use developments. Developers are creating waterfront developments that incorporate residential, commercial, and retail spaces, creating a walkable and vibrant community. In conclusion, the future of Miami's waterfront properties is uncertain due to the threat of rising sea levels. However, the demand for waterfront properties remains high, and developers and investors are taking measures to protect their properties from flooding and erosion. As the market evolves, we may see new trends emerge, such as the increasing popularity of sustainable and resilient properties and mixed-use developments. Thank you for listening to today's podcast episode on the future of Miami's waterfront properties. For more information about this topic, be sure to check out our website, www.rubyporch.com, and subscribe to our podcast for future episodes. Thanks for listening.